find the summary. Okay, sir. My name is Marvin Alapo, Mr. Yes Associate. Excuse me, sir. May I place this table ng key? This is our menu, sir.
Ano po?
Excuse me, sir. May I take your order? On soups, free soup. And on salad, Caesar salad. For main course, I'll have a T-bone steak, medium rare. And for desserts, I'll have orange custard with milk. So may I repeat your order, sir? So for appetizers, tuna sashimi. Cream soup. For the salad is Caesar salad. For the main course dish is T-bone steak. And for the desserts is orange custard with is that correct? Yes.
Hindi ka talaga sa ulo. Okay, stress.
Okay. Okay ba?
Okay lang rin sa ulo.
Excuse me, sir. May I service Excuse me, sir. Are you managing the may I Excuse me, sir. This is your appetizer. Tuna sashimi. Excuse me, sir. Are you the
Steak na. Wala ka lang steak na. Plato.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your soup. Cream soup.
Pareho siya. Saan mo ilalagay? Sa ngayon?
Are you done with your soup?
Ano sulat sa dalawa?
Maganda na ako. Here's your soup.
Ano yung gusto mo yan?
Excuse me, sir. Are you done with your soup?
Wala ka. Doon ka lang katulog eh. Oy boys, kalusin niyo dyan mga nakikita. Apa.
Here is your steak, sir. Excuse me. So, this is the alcohol percentage of this is 7.5%, sir. So, may I serve you with smell the aroma of the wine. So, sir, may I serve you your wine? Sir, excuse me. Are you done with your first? Yes, sir.
We are ready to make this up.
Excuse me, sir. I'll just diagram this. Excuse me, sir. This is your Excuse me, sir. This is your
Iyan mo naman, i-table mo.
hindi grabe. Sir, this is your
Yan po, tignan niyo po. Ano yung mga asal lang po ginagawa dito? Kahit actually yan, yan. Dito.
Thank you here in CHLT Restaurant. I hope to see you next time.
So,